Hello friends and welcome to our review of the Glen 5-burner built-in glass hob with flame failure device. This 5-burner built-in hob comes with flame failure device which in case of any LPG leakage cuts off the gas supply automatically within 10 seconds, making it absolutely safe. The 8.0 mm thick and toughened glass is heat and impact resistant and comes with 5-year warranty against breakage. This is a complete built-in hob designed to blend seamlessly with your modern kitchen interiors. It has 5 forged brass burners. Forging process makes the burner 5 times stronger and increases the life of the burner. There are 1 triple ring, 2 big and 2 small burners to be used as per your requirement. The 90 cm wide glass hob provides maximum space for cooking. The precision of gas valves takes care of flame control and there are no chances sim off. This hob has strong vitreous enamel pan supports which can accommodate heavy utensils with ease. Elegant knobs with firm grip are provided for hassle-free operations. The hob comes with integrated multi-spark auto ignition of 230 volts to avoid the use of lighters or matchsticks. It ignites the burner only during the cooking operations. This 5-burner flame failure device hob from Glen comes with a 2-year brand warranty. You can also register for a 5-year warranty on the glass. For further information on this Glen 5-burner built-in glass hob, visit the product detail page.